Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Wednesday, March 15th, 2023. If you are an individual affected by a layoff, or if you are a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for information about our firm's outplacement support services. As the leading boutique provider of outplacement services in the United States, Employment Boost is uniquely positioned to help individuals land on their feet and find a new job quickly and effectively after a corporate layoff. Now on to today's headlines. Tyson Foods joins other food suppliers such as Beyond Meat, Pepsi, McCormick, and Impossible Foods, and they have announced a reduction in force that will impact 1,700 workers, and they will be closing 2 of their chicken plants. So these 2 plants are located in Virginia and Arkansas, and they will close in mid-May. And also in food layoffs, Krispy Kreme will be laying off just over 100 workers and also closing its Concord, Nort Carolina factory effective May 11th. Also, Fetch Rewards, which is a startup based out of Madison, Wisconsin that offers a centralized rewards program via an app for shoppers, will be laying off 10% of its staff. The company cited that this is because of the slowdown in retail spending. And finally, the official announcement from Meta finally came yesterday, which has been speculated about for a while, but the company was definitely tight-lipped about it. The layoff notice officially stated that 10,000 jobs will be cut, and also 5,000 open positions are being scrapped. And in addition to the layoffs, the announcement also talked about Zuckerberg's plans for a year of efficiency, and within that were some signals that maybe Meta is no longer going to be embracing remote work. The key takeaway being that in-person work trumps remote work for productivity, at least for newer employees. Meta is the first tech company to undergo a second massive round of cuts, so we'll see if the others join in the coming months.